Join me for part 2 of this vintage Chanel bag restoration. After a very messy deconstruction of this bag and a complete restoration, now is the fun part to put it back together. After hand stitching all pieces back together using the original stitch holes, I reattached the original lining. Hand stitching this bag was quite a time-consuming process, however it was so worth it once you see the outcome. And finally, the completely restored vintage Chanel belt bag. With its fully restored puffiness, it almost looks brand new. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.